The U.S. Coast Guard suspended its hours-long search after a helicopter with 4 people on board crashed in the Gulf of Mexico on Thursday, officials said. The helicopter was in the process of departing an oil platform in the Gulf when it crashed, the Coast Guard's 8th District, headquartered in New Orleans. Tweeted, Coast Guard officials said the helicopter went down about 10 miles offshore of Southwest Pass, Louisiana, a channel about 80 miles southeast of New Orleans. The crew searched for about 180 square miles for 8 hours, the Coast Guard said in a news release.